All right, so can't do a cut. Blame you. Get in front of me. Stand right there. You'll be me. I don't want to do this. No, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get. You're ruining the shot. All right. Ah! Okay. First time being in front of the camera, and we're back. Doing different stuff this time. Never been in front of a camera like this. I don't like it. But we are in a shop. We got a shop that we are going to start renovating so I can do my own side work and stuff through, Lillys Chop Shop all through here. It's not the greatest shape, as you might be able to see behind me, and we'll take a look around and show you what we're working with here. We spent yesterday, I gutted everything off of the roof because it needs to be replaced. It's leaky. Few rotten spots. We're going to try to take out all these center posts and do a clear span and get rid of this. Used to be like a spray room or a paint room. They did cabinetry and stuff in here. Get rid of that, have it all open in here, and should be able to fit about 4 or 5 cars maybe. Hey, get off your phone.
I'm off the clock.
Oh, okay, all right. This is Blame. He is my employee. He helps me. He has the mullet that we are very, very proud of. He's put a lot of time and effort. Oh, wow. Wow. I mean, ladies are shivering right now. My God. Anyway, but yeah, we'll have a series of updates and other stuff as we move along here. It's like 10 degrees out and we're freezing and close to death, but we did everything we're going to do for tonight. And
go get some Philly cheesesteaks.
Oh.
From Ciro's.
Oh, chef's kiss. We might need to film that. They don't want to see that. But we'll put more content here soon on this building as we move along, and hopefully we'll have a bunch of work flowing through here before you know it. See ya.